this before you taint it with the goat cheese.
Because they need to have a mannequin piece every single moment. Otherwise...
N'hésitez pas non plus à regarder les différentes concrétions qui ont pu se former.
Schrijf hier zo jetzt, das doch. Und das schmeckt man.
I'm thinking maybe 5 weeks there, 2 weeks in Thailand.
15 metres below this car park are the remains of Adolf Hitler's bunker.
I do recording every day.
You're recording now?
Yeah.
No, tomorrow is full. Okay. Sorry. The waterbed story.
Yeah.
I'll tell you the waterbed story.
Go on then.
So.
En dat woord kennen ze in Engeland niet, dus dat ga je missen, Gert.
Oh, gezellig. Dat zegt het allemaal, maar...
Huh?
We are tired.
We are tired.
Yeah.
Get off my rug! Meow! Oh, fantastic.
I guess what I've been saying is there ain't no better reason to rid yourself of vanities and...
It looks like somewhere in Bloodborne.
Cooper wants some cheese.
On October 31st, 1991, Sega sued Accolade in the U.S. District Court.
No, that'll do.
Happy birthday.
Ah.
It's always like an extra solo, an extra, you know.
I was trying to walk in more because I think it's nice for him if he's not like at home.
Could these flood basalts have something to do with the demise of the ancient dinosaurs?